alert. The opioid epidemic is a nationwide problem doctors and politicians alike are trying to solve. Unfortunately, we on the Gulf Coast are not immune to this illness. In Pensacola, police say the opioid epidemic is getting worse. And one drug specialist says the problem has gotten really bad in the last 10 years. News 5's Bryant Clerkley joins us now live with more. Bryant?
Well, Roseanne, Mike Wood with the Pensacola Police Department says that this is a national problem, but it's really starting to hit home. He says it doesn't matter what age, race, or gender you are, they've dealt with people of all types and addiction.
Our narcotics unit stays very busy with it. I would say probably 80% of what they do is because of this epidemic.
And it's not just police seeing the spike.
It took off. It went from almost 0 to 100 within a year's time.
Dustin Perry is a certified addiction specialist with Lakeview Center. He says in the last 10 to 15 years, doctors have been prescribing more opioids. And he says when patients can't get those, they turn to street drugs.
This is a deadly disease.
Perry says street drugs can be deadly and he's had patients die. But he wants to assure families there are resources in our area to combat the epidemic.
There's treatment between here and Fort Walton. There's treatment in Epidemic Springs, so seek out treatment.
Some law enforcement agencies have begun carrying Narcan, a drug that can help to reverse an overdose.
That drug takes over the receptors in the brain and will block the effects of the heroin. So the faster we can get it to someone, the better off everybody is.
Now, Wood says Pensacola police do not carry Narcan yet, but they hope to in the near future. Live in Pensacola, I'm Bryant Clerkley, News 5.